In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark WH on Zoho People. Once you are logged into Zoho People and you are on your main dashboard, you will start by heading to the left sidebar. Look for the Attendance tab and click it. This is the section where you can view your daily attendance activity and also record your status for the day, including work from home. After you open Attendance, move into the Attendance viewing area, navigate to Attendance Views, and then select My Attendance. My Attendance is the personal view that shows your own attendance records, so it is the right place to make sure you are marking the correct day for your profile. Now that you are in My Attendance, locate today's date on the list or calendar view. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct date, since choosing the wrong day can cause your attendance record to be inaccurate. When you find today's entry, click the check-in button for that date. This begins the process of recording your attendance for the day. Next, you will set your work arrangement for the shift. Go to the Shift section, then look for the option related to the assigned shift. From there, select Work from Home. When you choose Work from Home, you may also need to set the date. Make sure the date matches the same day you are checking in for, especially if you are marking work from home for a specific schedule or if your system allows selecting dates from a picker. Before you finalize anything, quickly review what you selected. Confirm that work from home is the chosen option and that the date is correct. This small check helps prevent mistakes that can be time-consuming to fix later. Finally, click Submit. Submitting saves the update and records your work from home status for the selected date within Zoho People. After submission, you should see your attendance updated in My Attendance, which is a good way to verify that everything went through properly. And that is all there is to it.